Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can archive completed tasks in UPBASE, your full 2025 guide. So let's get started. First, log into your UPBASE account. It's important to have a secure connection, as this helps safeguard your data. After you're logged in, navigate to the Tasks section. This is where all of your tasks, both completed and pending, are housed. Next up, select the tasks you want to archive. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each task, or use the Select All option if you're archiving everything. The reason we do this is to identify which tasks are no longer active and should be moved from the main feed to the archive. Now that we've done that, let's find the Archive button. It's usually located towards the top right-hand corner. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear, confirming your action. The archiving feature helps us because it keeps our task list clutter-free and prioritizes our current projects. After you've confirmed, your tasks will be moved to the Archive Tasks section. This section can usually be found in the drop-down menu under Tasks. Let me explain why this matters. Archiving doesn't delete your tasks. It simply moves them to a separate area, allowing you to refer back to them if needed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you archive. UPBASE preserves all data related to the task, like due dates, assignees, and comments. This way, you always have a record of your completed tasks. And that's it. You've just learned how to archive completed tasks in UPBASE. Remember, archiving is an essential part of maintaining an organized and efficient workflow. So, don't forget to archive regularly. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.